Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will learn about the day's name in Arabic. So let's start. How to say Sunday in local spoken Arabic. Sunday. Yawmul Ahad. Yawmul Ahad. In Urdu, Itwar. Itwar. And we also say in Pashto, Itwar. Itwar. Yawmul Ithnain. Monday. يوم الاثنين Monday. In Urdu Pir. Pir. In Pashto Gwal. Gwal. The next one is Tuesday. يوم الثلاثاء. يوم الثلاثاء. In Urdu Mangal. Mangal. In Pashto Naha. Naha. The next one is Wednesday. يوم الأربعاء. يوم الأربعاء Wednesday. In Urdu Bud. Bud. In Pashto Shuru. Shuru. Thursday. يوم الخميس. يوم الخميس. In Urdu Jumarat. Jumarat. In Pashto Ziyarat. Ziyarat. The next one is Friday. How to say Friday in local spoken Arabic. يوم الجمعة. يوم الجمعة. يوم الجمعة mean Friday. Friday. In Urdu Jum'ah. Jum'ah. In Pashto we also say Jum'ah. Jum'ah. Saturday. The last one is Saturday. يوم السبت. يوم السبت. يوم السبت mean Saturday. In Urdu we can say hafta. Hafta. In Pashto we say khali. Khali. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel for upcoming videos.